In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high converting AI video ads fast in 2026. But before we start, let me tell you some things that are important. First of all, AI does not magically create some high converting ads. So bad offer will mean like bad result. And of course, AI cannot fix like the weak targeting or a bad copy. Also, you'll still need a clear product, audience, or angle, and angle as well, not even all. And what AI does basically well, it basically if you sell or if you're doing it, it will increase your speed. It will basically do well in variations and also doesn't create as fast. So with that clear, let's get started. So first, what makes an AI video ad convert? Let's forget tools for a second. Converting ads always have a hook in the first 2 to 3 seconds. Also, it should have one problem, one clear solution, and one call to action or CTA. AI helps you produce and test creative faster, but it does not replace this structure. So the first thing that you would like to do is for an ad creation 2026, the categories that matters more than the brand names is first of all scripts. You will need, well, it's better to use some video tools. It would be best for speed. So you can look for any AI tool that will do like example text to video AI. So you can do your own research about these tools because they are unlimited right now. Some are paid, some are free. For the free will not give you as good as the paid versions. So it will depend on your budget. It will depend on what are you willing to give, what are you willing to focus on more, and stuff like that. Other than that, you can use the avatar plus some voice tools. It will be best for talking head ads if you don't care about an example speed. And other than that, there is the stock-based video generator. It's basically best for UGC style ads. So, as example, some popular examples for text to video, you have the Steve AI. So you have this on the Steve AI. As you can see, you can animate like explainer ads. For the avatar plus voice tools, you have Pictory. Basically, this one. I'm not sure if it's the best right now, but it's what I used like before. And basically for the last one that I mentioned, which is stock-based videos, you have in video. In video. So yeah, this one. So as you can see, those three tools that I know, I will not assure you that they are the best. It's just what I know. You can go and find something else other than that. Maybe you can find cheaper. As example, if you're not going, maybe you find some free ones. So totally up to you to do your research about that. So tool choice matters less than how you structure basically the app. So now you would like basically to start creating scripts. And this is very critical. This is very important. Use as example, I'm just going to give you formats and you can use it and you can not. It's totally up to you. So there's a format and it's a high converting ad script format. So the format is simple. For the first 0 to 3 seconds, it will need to be a hook. And of course, let's just say the hook will be something like that. Sales struggling with, and you can mention a problem as an example. Then for the like next 3 to 7 or even 10 seconds, you can do like, oh, most people fail because the reason. So it will start by, oh, sales struggling as example with sleep. Let's just say that most people fail because they look at the screen before they go to sleep. And then in the next like 7 to 15 seconds, you can provide a solution. So this tool slash service fixes it all. Like, and then you can add the key benefits. Maybe as an example, let's say you're selling melatonin or maybe magnesium products that help people sleep well. So sales struggling with sleep, most people fail because they look at the screen very late at night. And this melatonin, as example, products or something like that fixes all because it will help you sleep faster. It will help you do that. It will help you do that, and etc. And of course, finally, you will need to add the proof or benefits. And then next, basically, this will take like a large area of the video, which is going to be 15 to 25 seconds. Like maybe you're trying to tell them, oh, this will save you time, you will sleep faster, it will save you money. As example, you will be able to you will not be able to find uh, cheaper than that with this quality was example, or maybe you're going to save them efforts instead of staying away from something like that, or preparing yourself to sleep for 2 hours. You'll be able to take this pill and you'll be able to sleep, as example, in 10 seconds. I'm just saying some hypothetical like things. Of course, you'll have to implement that for your whatever you're going to sell, creating the ad. And of course, the last 3 to 5 seconds, it should be a CTA or call to action. So try today or get started now. And you can generate, of course, variations with AI, but the structure must stay the same. So once you finish with your like script, it's time basically to pass into the generating the video with AI. Now you can paste your script into your AI video tool. First of all, of course, you would like to choose a short format, like 15 to 30 seconds, and make sure to select vertical, like 9/16 for TikTok slash Reels, or square for, an example, 1/1 for Meta. And let AI auto generate scenes. So once the video is generated, you can start replacing some weak visuals manually if needed. AI is good at speed, but not taste. Always review the visuals. A lot of times you'll find very terrible visuals created by AI. Of course, for ads as well, you would like to add voiceovers, some caption as well. So clear AI voice will be much better than adding music and adding dramatic voice. And captions are mandatory as well for that. Most users watch muted. Most users, example, sleeping at the same like place with other people, so they cannot turn volume up. As example, at night they're just scrolling and they find your app or your ad. They'll not be able to increase the volume to hear it. They just want a caption and read it. And make sure to avoid music and these like ads. A lot of people use music, and I can tell you from my experience, it's so annoying, specifically when it's so loud. The music makes ads so bad in my POV. So make sure to avoid also any over emotional AI voices, some fast and readable captions, or loud background music. Clarity beats creativity in ads. So basically, once you create that, make sure to export this like the ad at least at 1080 p, and make sure the duration is 30 seconds or under. And yeah, then you can start, example, making your marketing. So something that is very important as well, make sure to create variations, like example, trying different hooks on the same video, trying same offer, same CTA example, but just different hooks. And make sure to even like test multiple hooks, keep one message per ad, match the ad promise to landing page, and make sure to kill losing ads fast. So try like various variation. One ad is not working, make sure to kill it fast or stop it fast so you don't bleed on money. And yeah, that's basically how you create some high converting AI video ads in 2026. Thank you for watching and goodbye.